Okay, lawn fans, you ready? So, these are rotary mower stripes. What I do is I take about 6 washers on 2 different places on the back flap of the mower, screw them in, weight the flap down, and it stripes the lawn. Why am I rotary mowing my Bermuda versus reel mowing? Pretty much done with the reel mower at this time of year. I'm raising the height of cut. I don't like the quality of the cut I'm getting right now, mainly because my reel mower needs to be ground, needs a grind on it. There's a place in the middle of the reel that's not connecting on the bed knife, but the outsides are sharp as could be. So in essence, the reel is spinning, catching the grass and pulling it up, and I don't want that. So I'm gonna keep a really sharp blade on my rotary mower, and I'll maintain it 2-3 times a week. Now, let me show you the putting green. You're probably not gonna get good vision out of this. Had a couple kids, and I knew better. Had a couple kids, I went to the local landscaping place, and I told them I needed some sand. They asked me what for, and I said I was top dressing my putting green, and they said, oh, we got something better than sand. We've got river sand. Y'all, river sand is shit. And every time my mower hits it, I'm covered in a cloud of red Georgia clay dust. So it is what it is. I'm gonna go back to putting bags of white masonry sand or playground sand in my broadcast spreader and going across this probably up until the end of September and then stop completely. But she does look pretty good. I gotta be honest with you. I know the shadows are messing with you some, but if you were here in the morning and you saw the transition through here, it looks so good. Tight, short, just really good. Now these spots, this apron would look beautiful if it wasn't for that damn river sand I put down. The masonry sand would have just sunk right down in there and I'd have been fine. Lesson learned, I should not have listened to a couple 20-year-olds about my putting green. Anyways, I'm going back over here to these dry spots I've showed y'all in a couple of videos. I just got done taking some dishwashing soap, putting it in a 5-gallon bucket and pouring it out along these spots here. And what that does is it breaks the surface tension. That hose is trickling right now. Let's see, is the hose? Yeah, there's the hose. It's trickling right now, so it's soaking the soil itself and be able to be penetrated down into the ground. I've done that in a few places that I have hot spots in. The backyard, it's still come along, looks good, but guess what? This last week, army worms got me back there. I've done 2 applications back there. Those are really sensitive worms, so I sprayed them twice, 2 days apart, killed them off. It's gonna fill back in, but it's gonna take some water, fertilizer, a sharp mower blade, and the heat. And then again, over here in the second, well, this is the chipping range. I've got some shadows in right now, so you can't tell a whole lot, but I'm telling y'all, when I verticut this several times, it was like it fell in love with this soil. It is low to the ground, it is tight, and it's growing in thick. So next season, this will look as nice as that putting area over there. And again, this is that damn river sand. Those guys told me if you look right here, you'll see the difference. There is regular masonry sand and then river sand. You live and you learn. But hey, my lawn is taking off down there though, big time, like I never thought it would. It may even find me putting, I don't know, 8 pieces of sod in that area this spring. I may do that just to see if it catches and fills in right there, because that would look really nice transitioning all the way over to the putting green. You chip, you walk down that grass, you step onto the putting green. It'd be kind of a cool look. But anyways, here she is. I'm filming this on my phone, so I don't know if it'll pick up some of that trash that has come up in the lawn from the place in my reel where it wasn't sharp or wasn't hitting the bed knife. So I gotta wait for the grass to grow up a little bit to hit that, and then with my rotary and be able to pick all that crap up. But that's it. So next month will be a pre-emergent. That will be what will that be? Spectacle? Yeah, be Spectacle next month. And then October-ish, a 10, 10, 10, done. And that's about it. There she is, boys and girls. Bermuda Brian out.